problem number 23, page 576. In the coordinate system, y-axis, x-axis, you have a vector Lm, it's given, right? Lm. And also telling me that I'm using for the x-axis, right, the direction west. So x-axis is actually the west-east direction. What else? They're telling me to find direction relative to west. Find direction relative to west. What is that actually requiring you to find? When it says find direction relative to west, it is asking you to find the angle that your vector here makes with a line that is parallel to the west direction, right? East-west direction, if you want. Yes, Tina? Sure. And this is the angle that we're looking for. Let's call it alpha. Okay? I have to find that angle. How can I find it? Now, obviously, in the book, we know more about, so we can find the coordinates of L and M. And they seem to be what? L will have what coordinates? Seems to be 10, negative 10 here. And from L to M in the horizontal direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here to M, I have 4 units, right? Basically, I'm going by 10. M will have what coordinates? Negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40, negative 50. And M's Y coordinate will be 1, 2, 3, 4 units up, right? So again, it seems that M's Y component, if you want, will be 40 units, right? Because right there will be 50. Okay, and also we figured out that the component, the horizontal component of your vector ML is also 40 units. Not ML, is LM, right? So this vector LM will have what components? What is the horizontal component? The horizontal component is, its projection on the horizontal axis, its length in this horizontal direction, in this west direction, if you want, which is 40 units, right? Is it 40 units into the positive direction or into the negative direction? And it's into the negative direction, goes from L to M. So it will be negative what? Negative 40. On the y-axis, its y component is also 40 units, but it goes into the positive direction. Okay? However, the question is not asking me to find LM's magnitude. I have to find the direction of LM relative to west. So I'm looking at this triangle here, this right triangle, if you want, where I know that this side is 40 units and this side here is also 40 units. Can we find out? What trigonometric ratio can you use for, not L, alpha, right? To find this angle alpha. I've got what side? I have the opposite side and the adjacent side. What trigonometric function will work for me? Well, in this right triangle here, tangent of your angle alpha will be given by the opposite, which is 40 units, divided by the adjacent. But before I'm doing anything, before I'm doing any inverse trigonometric function, what do you guys notice? I have a 90-degree angle, and I have one side of 40 units, another side of 40 units. What triangle is this one? This is a special right triangle. Kylie? 45, 45. So how big is alpha? Alpha is 45 degrees, because this triangle is a 45, 45 triangle, right? And we're done. Its direction relative to west is 45 degrees.